Welcome back to my channel, Bulls and Bears. This is part 2 of passive income. In the previous video we touched on 2 passive income streams. Today I will continue with more passive income strategies. Let's kick off. A REIT is a real estate investment trust, which is a fancy name for a company that owns and manages real estate. REITs have a special legal structure so that they pay little or no corporate income tax if they pass along most of their income to shareholders. Opportunity. You can purchase REITs on the stock market just like any other company or dividend stock. You'll earn whatever the REIT pays out as a dividend, and the best REITs have a record of increasing their dividend on an annual basis, so you could have a growing stream of dividends over time. Like dividend stocks, individual REITs can be riskier than owning an ETF consisting of dozens of REIT stocks. A fund provides immediate diversification and is usually a lot safer than buying individual stocks, and you'll still get a nice payout. Risk. Just like dividend stocks, you'll have to be able to pick the good REITs, and that means you'll need to analyze each of the businesses that you might buy, a time-consuming process. And while it's a passive activity, you can lose a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing. Like any stock, the price can fluctuate a lot in the short term. REIT dividends are not protected from tough economic times either. If the REIT doesn't generate enough income, it will likely have to cut its dividend or eliminate it entirely. So your passive income may get hit just when you want it most. Rent out your home short term. This straightforward strategy takes advantage of space that you're not using anyway and turns it into a money-making opportunity. If you're going away for the summer or have to be out of town for a while, or maybe even just want to travel, consider renting out your current space while you're gone. Opportunity. You can list your space on any number of websites, such as Airbnb, and set the rental terms yourself. You'll collect a check for your efforts with minimal extra work, especially if you're renting to a tenant who may be in place for a few months. Risk. You don't have a lot of financial downside here, though letting strangers stay in your house is a risk that's atypical of most passive investments. Tenants may deface or even destroy your property or even steal valuables. Advertise on your car. You may be able to earn some extra money by simply driving your car around town. Contact a specialized advertising agency, which will evaluate your driving habits, including where you drive and how many kilometers. If you're a match with one of their advertisers, the agency will wrap your car with the ads at no cost to you. High-yield savings account, certificates of deposit, real estate investment trusts. Thank you for watching this episode of Bulls and Bears Passive Income Ideas. Next video we will look at ways to minimize taxes.